Hey, welcome guys to another video tutorial. This time it's going to be on how to create a vision file for your custom map. It will be a different way than just trying to guess what it would look like. We will actually go inside the game, and from inside the game, we'll actually handle some DVRs, and this way we'll see in game what the vision file will look like in there. Alright, so let's get started. First things first, in your own game script, in your GSC, go ahead and use this line, vision set naked, and then you're gonna put in quotes, leave it empty for now, and then in the transition time, how long do you want it in seconds, to change. You could put anywhere from 0.2 seconds, 0.5 seconds, or a second, 20 seconds, etc. So basically whatever your vision is at that moment will change into that new file that will go in here in between the quotes. And save that and make sure that in your zone source file right here, update zone file, make sure that you have it. You put raw file comma, and then you put vision, which will be the folder, and then / the vision file name followed by the extension .vision. Alright, so and if you go to your Call of Duty 4, then go to raw, and then go to your vision folder. If you don't have the vision folder, by the way, just create it. It's that simple. And then I already have some already here. If you don't have a vision file at all, it's very simple to create. Just right click, new text file, text document, and change the extension, from .txt, to .vision, and that's it. Whatever name you give it here is the name that's gonna go here too. For example, in this one, it's raw file comma vision / newtown.vision. So if I would name it Joker, I would put, if I named it Joker.vision, I would put Joker.vision here. And then when you call it out in your script, make sure you hit save and when you call it out in your script here, vision set naked, it will be Joker. You won't have to put the .vision, you just have to put Joker, and then you save it here on your script. You save it in your update zone file. You're good to go right there. That's all you need to do, and you could create as many vision files as you want and whatnot, and then you could change from one vision to another as long as you give it enough transition time, and everything will be fine. And so let's minimize this here, now what a vision file has is just a few variables. Let's go to the default one. Okay, it has rglow and rfilm enable. So you're gonna basically tell it how much, if you want the glow enable, how much the radius of that glow, the bloom of that glow, how much of it do you want it cut off, the desaturation of that bloom, the intensity of that bloom, and the sky bleed, so if how much seeks through the sky, and unfortunately in the game, in console, once you're in the game, you don't have access to this DVR. You cannot do it from in-game, which kind of sucks, and then you have rfilm enable, and rfilm contrast, rfilm brightness, rfilm desaturation, invert, and rfilm light tint, and rfilm dark tint. And basically the film enables you to change the way things view in the map. It will be either gray, blue, orange, whatever color you go. And so light tint and dark tint are run on RGB. So RGB, whatever values you won't want to put for them. And so just keep that in mind, because when I launch the map, you will eventually want to check it out. So let's see, let's run our custom map. Okay, and then let it load. And by the way, I found this out after I created the map for the new town, so there's no way I need this ahead of time. So let's just start from the beginning. I don't want to. Let's see. I didn't do that right. Oops. There we go. Alright, so this is the beginning. This is what it looks like. So this is the one vision file that I have set up. So once you're in game and you start it up, you want to open up console. Make sure developer is on. If you don't have it on, hit developer 1, and make sure developer script is on as well. Then go type in rglow use tweaks. Make sure that's enabled. Press 1, and then rglow tweak enable. Okay, let's put that to 1. Bam, you see right away we see things with glow going on. And we're gonna have to go ahead and change these, so like I say, you would change the glow radius, the cutoff of the bloom, the desaturation, the intensity. So if I go to rglow tweak radius 0, it goes anywhere from 0 to 32. So if I put 32, bam, you see it's much more smoother, and it goes around,